Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM 2021. In this video, we will see what's new in SolidCAM 2021 for turbo machining. In 2021, we fine-tuned our finishing operations, which will help us generate much less points when compared to our previous versions without compromising on the surface quality. So here I have a toolpath which is a constant Z toolpath with a depth of cut of 0.3 millimeters. And if we simulate this toolpath, you will see that we have close to 220,000 points on this particular toolpath. So that's about 220,582 points. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this operation, paste it, switch off this operation, and I will edit this operation. And in 2021, under passes in the point distribution, we will just enable the point distribution. We don't need to enable anything else. We just enable the point distribution, save it, and calculate this toolpath. The calculation was very quick. That's done. And now if we run the simulation of HostCAD and check the number of points it generates in 2021, you'll see that there is a dramatic drop of at least about 40% of the points. So in 2021, we are just generating 143,000 points. That's almost 80,000 points less, which means that we will machine this part faster without compromising on the surface quality of the part. Thank you very much for watching this video.